Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to show you what should I do if my Wise card is stolen or lost. So simply in order to do this, just open your Wise account and after that go to home, and here you can see the cards option. So simply just, as you know, when you click on the cards option, so simply you can direct move to the next page. So here you can see the freeze card option. So simply now if you click on freeze cards, your card will be blocked, so no one can use your card online or physical or any through source or platform. So in this way you can easily block your card, and after that, just when you block your card, no one can use your card. So simply, as you can see here, I want to freeze my card. So simply just go to your Wise account. If you are on the website, go to the card and app account and then click on freeze card. So now when you click on freeze card, simply your card will be blocked and no one can use your cards for online payment or send or receive money. So in this way you can easily block your Wise card if your card is stolen or something issue. So in this way you can block your Wise card.